Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. Today, very simple recipe. You're gonna love it. I say that every time, but I promise you, you're gonna love it. What are we making today? We're making broccoli Madeleine. Why? Man, every time we would go to Piccadilly and we would order this, I'm telling you, it was so good, delicious. You can make this at home, and it's better than if you go out and eat it because it's fresh. You're gonna love this. So what do we have in the recipe? Watch, it's really simple. We got 16 ounces of broccoli, fresh broccoli. Now we buy the florets in the bag, but we cut them up a little smaller. Can you see how small that is? Really tiny little florets. Then we have some cheddar cheese. By the way, all the ingredients and amounts and everything are going to be in the instructions under the video, okay? We got some red onion chopped fine, bacon. Oh man, who doesn't love some bacon? Golly. We have golden raisins. Oh, these babies are beautiful. And then for the sauce, we have some mayo, we have some white sugar, and some white vinegar. And it's all measured out right now. So let's make it, okay? How do you do this? It's real simple. You put your broccoli in first. Okay. Then you put your cheese. Yeah. And your onions. See that? Then you put your bacon and your raisins, and you scoop out your mayo. Doesn't matter what kind of mayonnaise you use, but every self-respecting Southerner uses Blue Plate, but you could use anything you want as long as it's Blue Plate. And then we have that sugar. We'll sprinkle that over, and your white vinegar, and then you just mix it up. Look how gorgeous this is. Mix it good. So, it might take a few minutes to mix it, but you know, that's part of the deal. And there you have it. Broccoli Madeleine. Or, if you just want to call it like we do at the Sanders Kitchen, broccoli salad. I love this salad. I'm going to eat it tonight along with my chicken, and I can't wait. It's going to be delicious. Now, the best thing to do is to let it sit covered and let it marinate, because all those flavors have to come together. It's the best thing to do. So make it ahead of time. Give it an hour or two before you eat it, okay? And stir it real good. Hey, thanks for watching our video at the Sanders Kitchen. Go make you some broccoli Madeleine or broccoli salad. You're gonna love it. It's a great Father's Day, 4th of July side dish. And hey, we love you. Subscribe if you hadn't. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. You know the routine. We love you guys. And have a great week. And God bless you.